Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a video of two people hugging using AI, and we'll be doing it all from a photo. It's a really cool trend that's been going viral on TikTok. Let's jump right into it. Step 1. Selecting your photos. First things first, you need a photo of two people. If you don't have a photo with two people together, no worries. You can always merge two separate photos into one. I recommend using an app like PicsArt to do this. Here, I'm using PicsArt to combine two different photos into one. Simply load both images, adjust their positions, and save it when you're happy with the result. Step 2. Accessing Vidu Studio. Once your photo is ready, head over to your browser and type in vidu.studio. When you arrive at Vidu Studio's homepage, you'll either need to create an account or log in. You can do this by signing in with your Google account or even using your phone number. Step 3. Creating your hugging video. Now that you're in, look for the three-line menu icon at the top. Click on that and select Create Video. You'll see three options: Image to Video, Reference to Video, and Text to Video. Since we're working with a photo, go ahead and click on Image to Video. Next, upload your photo. Once it's uploaded, type your prompt in English. Something like "make them hug" will work perfectly. Step 4. Waiting for the video to generate. Now, here's the part where patience comes in. If you're using a free account, the process might take a bit longer. Just give it some time. Once your video is ready, you'll get a notification that it's done. Step 5. Downloading the final video. After your video is complete, go ahead and click Download to save it to your device. And that's it. You now have a video of two people hugging created with AI. And there you have it, folks. That's how you create a hugging video using photos and AI in just a few simple steps. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome tutorials like this. I'll see you in the next video.